Kristen Hanna has done it again. Her latest novel, The Women, is sweeping through the book world like wildfire, raw, emotional, and powerfully resonant. But what makes this story stand out from her other bestsellers like The Nightingale and The Great Alone? Why are readers calling this her most important book yet? Stick around as we dive into a full review, emotional impact, key themes, and what makes The Women the book everyone is talking about. The Women is set during the Vietnam War, a period often seen through the lens of male soldiers. But Hannah turns the spotlight on a forgotten group, women who served. The story follows Frances Frankie McGrath, a young nurse from California who enlists only to return to a country that wants to forget her service. The novel is both a character study and a historical reckoning. Frankie is one of Hannah's most compelling protagonists to date. She starts as sheltered and idealistic, but war changes her emotionally, physically, and politically. Her friendships with other women in the field like Ethel and Barb are the soul of this novel. These are not just war stories, they are stories of identity, trauma, and resilience. Hannah tackles big themes: gender erasure and war history, PTSD, survivor's guilt, and systematic betrayal. Frankie's return home is perhaps more harrowing than her time in Vietnam. She is met with denial, shame, and silence. The Women is about remembering those who history tried to forget and giving them a voice. Hannah's prose is fluid, evocative, and emotionally charged. A structure split between the brutal realities of Vietnam and the silence of homecoming keeps emotional stakes high. She never sensationalizes war. Instead, she personalizes it, making you feel every loss, every betrayal. Few books hit like this one, whether you have experienced war personally or only read about it in textbooks. The Women will break you. The scenes of Frankie grappling with addiction, trauma, and a nation's indifference are raw and real. Have tissues nearby, you will need them. So, why is everyone talking about The Women? For starters, it's a filling gap in historical fiction. Tristan Hanna is giving voice to real women whose stories were erased. Social media is buzzing with emotional reviews, book clubs are spotlighting it, and readers across generations are finding themselves changed by it. If The Nightingale was about sisterhood in wartime and The Four Winds about survival during the Dust Bowl, then The Women is about justice. It may be her most political novel to date, but still deeply human. It's more raw than Firefly Lane, more focused than The Great Alone, and arguably her most socially urgent. This book is for lovers of historical fiction, yes, but also for those who crave stories about strength, injustice, and healing. It's for readers who appreciate emotional complexity and character depth. If you have ever felt unseen, unheard, or underestimated, this one's for you. The Women is more than a novel, it's a tribute. A 4 out of 5-star read for its emotional honesty, historical significance, and unforgettable characters. Tristan Hanna proves again why she's a powerhouse in literary fiction. If this story moved you, let me know in the comments. Have you read The Women? How did it affect you? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow book lovers. Until next time. Keep reading, keep feeling, and never stop honoring the forgotten voices in history.